Aprendo en casa.
Learning Experience 8. Let's change our lifestyle. English, Level A2. Activity 3. Peruvian recipe. Let's practice. Listening comprehension. Practice Exercise 1. Listen to and complete the recipe.
Hello, people! Today, in our blog, we are going to make a delicious and nutritious dish. Ceviche is healthy, juicy, delicious, and nutritious. It's one of the most popular dishes in Peru. In fact, to eat this unique dish, you can go to an exclusive restaurant or enjoy it at home by making your own ceviche. Today, we will show you how to prepare this delightful dish. These are the ingredients. 1 kilogram of fish, 1 red onion, half a kilogram of lemon, 1 chili pepper, 1 kilogram of sweet potatoes, salt to taste. Are you ready? Let's cook our delicious ceviche. First, wash the fish and dice it into small squares. After that, put the fish in a glass bowl. Then, cut the lemons, squeeze them, and pour the juice in a cup. Next, cut the onions and chili pepper. Put the fish, onions, and hot pepper in a glass bowl, and then pour the lime juice in the bowl and cook in the lime juice for 20 minutes. While the fish is cooking, boil the sweet potatoes until they are soft. Finally, remove the fish from the bowl and add some salt. Slice the sweet potatoes and serve with the fish.